Yo guys, double NKH, no nonsense, no how here with a quick ramble on. Mostly making this to answer just a couple small questions. One, lately I've been putting a bunch of old videos on Facebook, chopping them up some, speeding them up a little bit, cutting the fat out and putting them on there as reels. And that's been great. They've been getting a lot of views, and I'm seeing the same comment though several times. Why are you reposting your old videos? Well, it's not a repost because it's on a different platform, but the main reason why I'm doing that is because often there's been a lot of Facebook pages like Rust to Roar, Abandoned Car, and all these like random names they pick, where they take people's YouTube videos and chop them up or speed them up, and they put them up in like 12-part series of reels, and they put them on Facebook, and some of them are getting millions of views, and it's like it's not right that they're stealing mine and other people's videos and they don't give any credit to who made them mention. But even worse yet, they're like commenting back like, oh, you know, thanks so much for watching. And yeah, you're right. That was like a tough one. And like, man, that kind of bothers me, but a little bit. And so, you know, if you report these as intellectual property, if somebody else reports it, Facebook doesn't really seem to do much. I don't think they care because they just want to get views on videos. So they can put ads on there and they make money, and, you know, then they're paying whoever's posting it some money too, and it's all good. But anyway, so the only way I see to combat it is to just start getting my old library up on Facebook, because that makes it easier for you to be able to claim your copyright on them if you had them on your Facebook. At least I would think it does. So anyway, that has been a goal lately. I'm going to get those old videos put on, but I do try to cut them up and change them a little bit. Or maybe I'll just start putting them on hold. That'd be easier, you know, less editing. As you guys know, I'm just a one-man band, so I probably should hire out stuff like editing, but I don't do that. And so I only post on YouTube right now about once a month, and then trying to re-edit videos for Facebook, that takes up even more time. So much time where I haven't got this car all dialed in and on the road yet. It's just, which is I'm okay with, because it's like, it's a project. I work on it when I have the time, which lately hasn't been much, and I enjoy it. And once it's done, it's like, then, you know, you don't use them as much once they're done. That's just kind of how that goes. Another question I've seen a lot of is this garage. What's happening with that? I thought you got another garage, another place. And yes, we live there now, have another garage. It is a very local, it's right down the street. So this house is gonna be a rental, and this garage, I hope to be able to stay here and keep working in this garage, and maybe just tone it down past 9 p.m., you know? I don't think the renters like that too much. There was a few other things I was gonna mention, but I didn't write notes down. So main thing is, yeah, gonna have some old videos on Facebook, and that's the reason why. And new video probably next weekend on the main channel. I thank you guys very much for all the support. There's still people buying shirts and hats, and I don't even mention that stuff. So thank you guys very, very much for that support. It helps out big time. You guys that have sent over the videos of people, you know, stealing the YouTube videos and putting them on Facebook and TikTok too and all that. Thank you guys for doing that. It helps out, kind of made me knowing of the problem. And if you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop them down below, and maybe I'll try to answer them in a future one. So thank you for listening to me. Just go on, and I'll see you guys in another one real soon. Double NKH. Yes, and I did just buzz my head off the other day. Summertime is here. Getting hot.